Hello, welcome back to Galvix's YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about South Dakota sales tax nexus. So if your business sells to customers in South Dakota, then this video is for you. Let's get started. Firstly, what is sales tax nexus? Simply put, it's a connection between the state of South Dakota and your business that obligates you in collecting sales tax and remitting it to the state. Now, when do you know that you have this connection? It is in two conditions. One is the case of a physical nexus, and the other is the case of an economic nexus. Now, physical nexus is established when you have a physical presence of your business in the state, which is in the form of an office, a warehouse, an inventory, or employees working for you remotely, or any other temporary sales activities that you conduct. All of them can create a sales tax obligation, and you will need to register for a sales tax certificate. If you don't have a physical presence, then this connection of nexus will be determined by your sales volume and number of transactions over a period of time, which is the case of economic nexus. Now, for the state of South Dakota, the rule is that sales volume should be at or beyond $100,000 to make you obligated for registering for sales tax. Now, once you have this, the major question is what exactly counts towards that threshold. Now, are marketplace sales excluded from the economic threshold? For the state of South Dakota, the answer is no, they are not excluded. So if you sell on marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Walmart Marketplace, or any other marketplace, and if they collect taxes on your behalf, even then those sales will be calculated towards your economic nexus threshold calculation. Now, are wholesale or resale transactions excluded from the economic threshold? The answer again is no, they are not excluded, and you will also be required to keep the documentation intact for this. And then the last one is, are non-taxable or exempt sales excluded from the economic threshold? The answer again is no, they are not excluded. They are in fact included in the calculation of your economic nexus threshold. So once you do calculate based on these rules and these conditions, if your sales still exceeds $100,000, then you will be required to register for a sales tax certificate at the South Dakota ePath portal. You can follow our ongoing series where we have visual walkthroughs to different states in US on how you can actually get through this registration process on the portal, or you can contact us, Galvix. We are a sales tax compliance solution. We help you with nexus tracking across US, as well as registration and then filing as well. So check us out down below at www.galvix.com, and like this video if it was useful for you. Let us know what other videos you'd like to see, and if you have any questions with reference to South Dakota sales tax or any other sales tax in US, we'd be happy to answer them for you. Take care of yourself. I'll see you again. Bye bye.